Let's face it, when it comes to your brand's packaging, you often have to make a choice between the features that you want and the ones that fit your budget. And the reason is, when it comes to packaging printers, you have two types. The ones that offer special features that you want, but at a higher cost and with longer lead times. Then you have the ones that offer great lead times and lower prices, but with poor quality and limited features. You shouldn't have to sacrifice one for another. At New York Label and Box, we set out to give you everything that you want, quickly and at a lower price. That's why we have combined all these features, like two-sided printing, foiling, film laminations, coatings, and even die cutting, into one modernized, streamlined process so that you can have everything you want for less. As the saying goes, you get what you pay for, but every once in a while, you can have your cake and eat it too.